Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to learn the basic concepts to start to use the Angular framework. You will learn what Angular framework is and what are the advantages of creating web application using this framework. The topics are: what is Angular? What is a single-page application? What is TypeScript? What is a component? And what is a Node.js?
Angular is an open-source, TypeScript-based framework for building client-side web applications, primarily single-page applications, SPAs. Developed and maintained by Google, it provides a comprehensive platform for creating scalable and maintainable front-end solutions.
As we say earlier, Angular is primarily to create a single-page application, or SPA. Let's explain what a single-page application is. A single-page application is an application that works in a single HTML page instead of loading new pages each time you interact with them. To understand better, imagine a traditional web application. This is similar as a restaurant where each time that you want to eat food, you have to do an order. If you wish another dish, you have to order again. Instead, single-page applications are more like a buffet with all the food ready and prepared. In the single-page application, this buffet example applies to the application HTML and JavaScript code. The client gets all the code and updates the page dynamically as you interact with the application.
Now let's talk about TypeScript. It is a superset of JavaScript. This means that all JavaScript code is already valid TypeScript code. You can take a JavaScript file, .js, rename it a TypeScript file, .ts, and work. TypeScript does not replace JavaScript. It only adds new capabilities to it. Add static types. This is the magic of TypeScript. It allows you, and sometimes forces you to, define what type of data you expect in each place. For example, you can say, this age variable should always be a number, or this greet function should always receive a text, string. Now, to understand better, imagine a car. This car represents JavaScript. TypeScript would be like an add components to increase your visibility and improve your situational awareness, like better lights, sensors, or a more complete board. But in Angular framework, this will be presented as a different language, but internally is still JavaScript. Now let's see what is a component. In Angular, a component is a fundamental building block of an application's user interface. Components are self-contained units that encapsulate a specific part of the UI, including its visual representation, behavior, and data. A component used to be separated in two kinds of files: the HTML to create the view, and the TypeScript class, that is the part to do all the logic and handles the data. In Angular, even if those files are separated, it's very easy to synchronize both. When the data changes, the view reacts. And when the view is updated, the variables are updated too. This synchronization is called two-way data binding. And that's amazing because simplifies the code a lot. Now, let's see what is Node.js. Node.js is an open-source, cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that allows developers to execute JavaScript code outside of a web browser. Traditionally, JavaScript was used primarily for client-side scripting within browsers to create interactive web experiences. You can think about Node.js in the next way. Imagine that the components are the stars in our show. To create the show, we need some scenography, lights, cameramen, technicians, and a whole team that delivers a recorded production ready to be broadcast via any medium. Therefore, an application being executed is similar to a show being broadcast. Well, that's all for this video. Give me a like if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. In the next one, we're going to talk about how to install Node.js to create our first Angular project. See you in the next video.